Oh, welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're going to be talking about the Philips Hue Light Buzz. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and leave that comment below. Yeah! You can turn any room in your house into your own personal movie theater. You can set the balls to match the mood or the theme of that movie that you're watching. The Philips Hue app allows you to take full advantage of your home any type of way you like. If you're away from home, you can set the light bulbs to operate when you're near your house. For example, you go in your phone settings, put in your map, it asks you about the miles of distance. So you're like 2 miles away from your home. As long as your phone is linked up to your Philips Hue lights with the GPS, guess what? When you're 2 miles from the house, your lights automatically come on. And I really love that feature about it.
You can turn the light switch off or on by using the app or voice control, like Alexa, Siri, or Google. Okay, Google, turn breakfast light hot pink.
Sure, changing the breakfast light to hot pink.
What?
So a really cool feature that's on with these light bulbs. Let's say you're the type of person that works during the daytime, which I'm pretty sure most of us do. And then let's say you go to work, nighttime happens, you're in your bed, sleeping like a little baby. And then the light begins to get a little brighter and brighter and brighter. And you say, hello, wake up. You know, because a lot of you guys, when they hit the alarm, you smash hit the alarm with your fist. I've done it before too, not really. But anyways, with those Philips Hue light bulb, you can actually control the situation, how you want to wake up. So that way, it don't be like a sudden bright light. Or the one thing I really hate the most, let's say like, if you got those motion lights at home, which you can set up with your lights, but let's say if you got those motion lights that doesn't have no dimming feature to it, and you go to the bathroom and you go walk in and a bright, you know, you're going to shell shock like me, right? And then, but with these Philips Hue light bulbs, you can go inside the bathroom. If you have them set up, it'll be like a really nice dim, so that way it won't be too bright first thing in the morning, or just a midnight pee run, right? Also, another really cool thing you could do is you could change the mood or the lighting to a photo and your photo gallery. Like, who would have thought about something like that?
You can change the light bulbs to any color you want. You can even change it based on what you're doing.
Whether taking a nap, studying, reading, meditating, working out, and so on, you can set a tone to fit every activity.
And I know what you came here to do. Now come on over, let me see it just. It's going down for real.
Now, with these Hue light bulbs, they also come with different types of accessories. Now, you have the Hue motion sensor detection device. And one thing I like about it is you can plant that bad boy any place of the house, and then you go on your phone, set the schedule, a timer. Like me, for example, I have my motion sensor detection light in my hallway. So 6:30 p.m., whenever someone go up the stairs, and bam, those lights will come on, any color you choose for yourself. So I do that so that way I don't have to sit there, waste electricity, waste power. And also, when someone come up the stairs and stuff, or whatever you put your motion sensor detection device at, they'll be able to have a timer. And when that timer runs, like maybe 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever the case may be, that device will automatically turn off, so your lights turn off. So let me tell you guys, one of my favorite features about the Philips Hue light bulbs, and it's simple, it's the colors. I like colors, I like green, blue, red, pink, you name it, and I like it. So that's why I decided to get the Philips Hue color light bulbs. Now, let's talk about some of this pricing. And you all want, well, if you can do all these different things, then we need to talk about the pricing. So we're gonna be talking about the meatloaf. We're gonna talk about the savings. We're gonna say, how much can we save on these bad boys? Now, if you go to retail stores, it typically costs, like at Best Buy, for example, or maybe Walmart. I think Best Buy is about $49.99 and Walmart is $44.99. However, you don't have to spend almost $50 for one single light bulb. Let me tell you something. If you want to be patient, put some money to the side and be like me and wait for itself, like Cyber Monday. Well, I purchased a lot of my light bulbs for $21.99. Or, well, maybe Black Friday. That's another good time to buy some stuff as well, especially these light bulbs. So if you're trying to have a whole bunch of color different barriers inside your house and utilize all the type of features it gives you, then wait for sales. Also, not only these color light bulbs, Philips Hue also have the LED light strips as well. So that's another great value. And they have a whole bunch of other materials as well. And I have one more thing I want to say to you guys. Lights, camera, action.